Hi everyone, we haven't seen each other for a while. Hope you guys have a nice day. In today's vlog, there will be a lot of information and a little bit long. Because I haven't done the move-in vlog, so I will do the apartment tour instead. During this period of time, college students are looking for the place to live during the school year, and I think this will be helpful. Also, I have been here for a while, and I will point out some advantage and disadvantage, and hope that this video will help you make a decision, and I will add more information at the end. Okay, now let's go. First, I live in Stonehaven apartment on the Canyon Crest Drive. The campus is down that way. It takes around 5 minutes to drive. If you walk, it takes around 15 to 20 minutes from the apartment to the bell tower. To get in, we will use the key that the staff gave us on the move-in day. They also have a bicycle storage areas, one next to the office and another one next to the volleyball field. Inside the office, there is a small study lounge, computer lab with 2 computers, cards, study tables, mailbox, and office. When we get outside, from the office view, we will see the swimming pool. There are study or areas you can relax. Next to the office, on the left hand, there are study room and laundry. As you can see, they have a washer and dryer. You can pay by using your credit card through the app, or you can insert coins to the machine. I always pay through the app. In the back of the swimming pool, there is another bicycle storage area, half basketball field, and volleyball field. Now it's time for room tour. There are 2 choices. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Single room costs $1,372. Double room costs $686. Second choice is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The price are the same. When you get in, based on my room, you will see the kitchen first and the living room. It is furnished. There is a couch, 2 tables, chair, a cable shelf. They're supposed to have 2 bar chairs, but we don't have it because I didn't ask for them. In the bedroom, it comes with 2 beds and tables, 1 closet that you have to share, and bathroom inside. Problem: we live here for a while, about 2 quarters. For the problem that we see, first, staff. Sometimes you can't contact them, or it will take a while for them to respond, so trying to find the information online, or if the office is open, just walk in. Second, there are ants. If you don't mind, make sure you bring some spray or something that can prevent ants on the first day. Try to clean the room as often as you can. It might reduce it somehow. Third, in the bathroom, there are mold. Fourth, the Wi-Fi. Sometimes it's bad, but not always. When you take a test online, make sure you have other sources such as Wi-Fi available on campus or your hotspot from your phone. And fifth, sometimes the fridge in your room is loud. Additional information. First of all, if you have a roommate, you should talk to each other and make a deal so that we'll have no problem later or might have fewer problems. Don't be shy and remember to clear up any misunderstandings. As I mentioned at the beginning, now I will talk about the extra stuff. Kitchen. If you share with someone, bring all the necessary stuff because the drawers are small and not that high for the bottles. For a bed, there are 4 small drawers. FYI, there is no elevator here. On the move-in day, if you are on the 2nd floor, yes, you have to carry it up. But they have a card for you. Use your UCR ID, exchange it. You will have no other choice but to carry the heavy cart up the stairs. Now for costing, based on 21-22 school year, you have to pay $200 for the deposit. The room, it costs $1,372 for single room, and double room costs $686, and it will increase when you renew it. Parking permit costs around $750 per year for the apartment parking permit, but this has an exception. You can't park during the day on campus. You have to pay extra. You can park after 6 p.m. in non-reservation. This one you can check on the school website, and all day during weekend. So make sure you purchase the one that you really want. There might be some spot for you to park along the street if you don't want to purchase the apartment parking permit, but there is no guarantee that there will be space left. There is a bicycle storage in Stonehaven apartment, but I'm not sure how much does it cost. You might have to look it up. For renewal, it will be renewed during March 23rd to April 5th, based on this year, and you won't be charged for July and August, but only if you renew your lease, and you can leave your stuff in there for the upcoming year. This is all what I know for now. Hope this video helped you, and if I find more information, I will add to the description below. Thank you for watching.